To get the build 1903 from Windows 1809, you have to install the KB4 update firstly. Then based on the addition of Windows and your hardware specification, Microsoft may offer the feature upgrade via an option of Windows Update. Education and business editions, like me, of course, may wait a couple of weeks to see the upgrade is fully compatible. Windows 10, version 1903 is available by manually selecting Check for Updates via Windows Update. The recommended servicing status is semi-annual channel, Microsoft.com. Being on the latest version of Windows 10, the May 2019 update provides you with the latest features, more control over updates, and greater transparency for a better update experience. We will continue to work to improve Windows 10 quality, and will be closely monitoring and sharing how the rollout is going, including both the current status and issues via the new Windows Release Health dashboard, Windows.com.
Windows the 10th of May 2019 update is officially released. Check the headlines from the Microsoft blog. With huge improvements from features to performances, this update is acknowledged to available late due to stability issues.
Thanks to a May 21st cumulative update, those feature updates are no longer installed automatically. Instead, a new feature update gets its own box on the Windows Update page, with a prominent download and install now button, snap.com. As usual, the best way to install a brand new Windows build is a clean install. That raises a questions: does new features is usable with me? Or structure changes are compatible with my old software? I've been struggling with the current Windows build, so edition switching is a lifesaver. The facts that I face a lot of headaches with the regular Windows editions, Home, Professional because it gets updated too frequently, downloading update waiting the installation getting rest out over and over. That's is horrible, time waste. Moreover, sometimes updates can cause a black screen, break video drivers, etc. That's why I'm using the Pro Education version now. Windows 10 Pro for Workstations is a high-end edition of Windows 10 Pro, comes with unique support for server-grade PC hardware, and is designed to meet demanding needs of mission-critical and compute-intensive workloads, tinforums.com. Besides the Education Workstation Edition, there is an ultimate choice is Windows LTSC. It's the most stable version of Windows for every workload. No too frequently update, no Metro apps crap were included by default. That's a great choice for smart users. New today is power management for systems where low latency is important, and where tasks should not be slowed down by aggressive battery conservation techniques. And the biggest feature to date, Microsoft has removed Candy Crush and the other consumer junk from the Start menu, register.co.uk. Each LTSC release receives 10 years of servicing and support. During the life of a LTSC release, you can upgrade your devices to the next or latest LTSC release free of charge using an in-place upgrade, or to any currently supported release of Windows 10. Because the LTSC is technically its own school, an upgrade is required from Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC to Windows 10 Enterprise, which supports the semi-annual channel, Microsoft.com. The long-term servicing channel, also formerly known as the long-term service branch, refers to a specialized Windows 10 edition specifically designed for scenarios and devices that require feature consistency, such as point-of-sale terminals, medical equipment, industrial process controllers, ATMs and air traffic control devices, to Riba.com. With Windows 10 19H1 development winding down, it's time to take a step back and evaluate this major new Windows version. Rather than a formal review, Windows 10 is Windows 10 is Windows 10. After all, I figured it would make a bit more sense to sift through the many changes and improvements that Microsoft will bring with this release and focus on the best of the best instead. throttling.com. Organizations like education institutions, hospital, corporations need the most stable update to ensure zero interruption. That's why we have to update branches to define the quality frequent of the released update. In the 1903 build, this option will be replaced with deferred update and pause updates. Business customers have two options right now to define. When updates get released, they may set a deferral period for feature updates and select between the semi-annual channel or semi-annual channel. The latter two options may sound confusing at first, but are explained easily. Dax.net. The safest approach to get the May 2019 update is to wait until you get the notification that it's available for your device. However, if it's been a while and you haven't received the update, you can force your device to upgrade using Windows Update as soon as it's available. windowscentral.com. Microsoft decides not to let my Windows Education laptop get the update for now, and I assumed that you are happy with the current Home Professional Edition. So we have to create a physical medium like USB DVD with bootable Windows to go further. First of all, you can try the Windows Update Assistant to do an in-place upgrade. This is an online update tool, so beside 8 GB free of the system disk, it also needs an external storage device with 11 GB free space available. Fortunately, I only have a 32 GB Samsung microSD back card inserted. I can offer you a couple of tools to get enough 8 GB free on C drive. You can purchase a 16 plus GB USB 3.0 SD card class 10 here. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard Professional 12.9 The best data recovery software to easily and quickly recover deleted, formatted, or lost data from your PC, laptop, or a movable devices. You can free up space with storage section in Windows settings, or extend the capacity of C drive by resize it with EaseUS Partition Manager, Windows Disk Management MMC console. Advanced System Care is a great all-in-one PC utility that can scan, repair, and optimize many aspects of your system. It aims to remedy whatever ails your computer by not only cleaning up junk files, malware, and invalid registry entries, but by giving your computer a boost to optimize your PC experience.
The Metro app is stuck with purging Windows Update Cleanup, so I switched to Advanced System Care and iBit Disk Cleaner for the best result. Open up Properties menu of the C drive to see we archive the desired free space, or do a deep clean with cleanup system files. Caution: upgrade the OS may render an unusable machine that you can't access important document files. It is recommended that you do a full backup. Purchase a genuine medium like USB or DVD from the store, because that medium can be used as a recovery disk to repair OS and retrieve data. So, I cancel this online update assistant and download the original ISO of Windows to burn a USB bootable drive. Windows Setup Point X can do the upgrade without additional temporary external storage. Waiting for my part 2 of this series about Windows 10 1903.